Okay, why not?
Ano sa tingin nyo? Ilan? Isa, dalawa, tatlo? Grabe. Sige, simulan na natin with our first bike that lets Filipino riders stand out on the road and ride with pride. Thanks to its new premium and elegant design and improved driving performance. We are giving away a brand new PCX 150!
PCX 160 is variant in pearl painless white.
Grabe. Ayan na, kanina, alam niyo na yung rules. Dapat, yung ating winner, nandito. Kaya Honda Riders, ready na ba kayo? Ready! Last year, tuwang-tuwa yung nanalo. Pero this time, siguradong mag-enjoy at magtatatalon ka sa tuwa. 10 seconds, pumunta ka dito sa harap. Randomizer, go! O, maupo muna kayo lahat. Yung tatayo lang with yung winner. Para kita agad. O, upo muna. Eto na, ang totoong winner ng PCX 160 Randomizer. Go!
QR code? Okay. And she is Ira May Hilario.
Miss Ira May.
Congratulations, you are the winner of PCX 160.
Nakakakilig talaga.
Okay lang ba kayo?
Hindi na natapos dyan. Hindi na natapos dyan yan. Nakuuna pa lang. Because we have one more prize.
Grabe. Isa pa. And here are some clues. Simulan ko ng partner, ha?
Sige, simulan mo.
It's the grand raffle. And syempre, dapat big ang prize.
Big ang prize. Big on format. Ito dahil itong bike lets you have fun, pero very practical din ang ride na ito.
Meron po siyang big time na features tulad ng 41FF PB USB port Showa, dual front disc with radial calipers, 471cc liquid cool, 4-stroke POHC parallel twin engine, at hindi lang yan, it has a lighter swing arm and excellent suspension control.
They say everything is bigger in Texas, pero everything is also big here at the 2024 Honda Riders Convention because we are giving out a brand new Big Fun! Yes! A brand new CB 500F! Nako, grabe. And habang inaantay natin na makompleto ang ating Honda Executives, i-reveal na natin kung sino ang ating brand new winner of a CBF 500F. It's a lucky big winner. You are the winner, randomizer. Go!
Congratulations!
Onexo! Yes! 10 seconds! Let's go! 10! 5! 8!
116